North Georgia and our Athens viewers. As we head into fall, you may have noticed that we did fall back an hour this past weekend, and we can already see that in our sky cam. It's already dark outside, but our campus is glowing. We're sitting at a current temperature of 64 degrees, and that's where most of us are currently sitting across North Georgia. We're in the lower to upper 60s, 66 here in Enterprise, 65 in Athens, 61 in Winder, and we're just cooling off as we go up into the mountains. But if you did notice as you stepped out the door today, it did rain, and we didn't have any rain in October, but we're already starting off the month a little bit strong with a little over a quarter inch, which is already more than we had last month. And we are expecting some more rain later this week due to this tropical storm Rafael that is currently sitting in the Caribbean. And right now it's just gaining its strength, going through these warmer waters, and it's going to be intensifying up to a Category 2 hurricane by Wednesday. But once it makes its way into the Gulf, that's where that cone really tends to widen, and we have this uncertainty of all these different paths that it could take as we get later into the week. But it isn't going to be impacting us here in Georgia directly, but it will be giving us some better chances of some showers as we go into later in the week. Here's Tuesday and Wednesday. We already see some of that rain come in, and then it kind of just explodes, and we are going to be keeping our eye to see how much rain we're going to get later this week. But it does look like it's going to be a washout as we go through the next couple of days. But as we look into tonight, we're in the lower 60s, upper 50s, and as we go into tomorrow, we are still abnormally warm for this time of year. So we're in the lower 70s to upper 70s, almost 80 degrees as we make our way east. But if you are going out to vote tomorrow and you didn't get a chance to vote for early voting, the best time to go out to the polls will be in the morning. 8 a.m. and noon will be in the lower 60s. But as you make your way into the evening before polls close at 7 p.m., it may be sprinkling and raining, so better chance to go out in the daytime versus the evening if you want to go out and vote. But as we look at our 7-day forecast, we do see better chances of rain coming in towards the weekend. But as we head on into Saturday, our dogs will be out away this weekend going against Ole Miss as we go into the rest of the week.